Hello everyone, it's Ajit and today I'm going to show you how to use Genymotion, which is one of the virtual device manager and which is pretty fast compared to the ATT bundle virtual device manager, which is provided by Eclipse. So to get Genymotion, what you need to do is you need to go to genymotion.com. So click on your URL tab and then type genymotion.com, so you can see the page of Genymotion, the home page. Then you can see the Get Genymotion button, then click on it. Then you can see there are two types. One is the free one and the other is the business one. So if you're using it for the personal use, it's for free. You can get 3 features, and if you're using it for the business purposes, then you need to buy it for 24.99 euros, so where you can get all of these features. So for the personal use, click on download. So as I'm using the Windows version, you can see the system requirement is minimum Windows Vista. So as you scroll down, you can see there are 2 types. One is Get Genymotion and the other is Get Genymotion without VirtualBox. So I think Get Genymotion is very good rather than Get Genymotion without VirtualBox, because I think it's pretty fast compared to without VirtualBox. So click on Get Genymotion. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to create an account, or you need to sign in. So if you don't have an account, you need to go to create account, and if you have the account, you can go to the same process. So if you don't have the account, you need to fill out this form. So you need to add your username, you need to add your email address, and you need to add your password. So for the company size, you need to click on the personal use because it's for free, right? So for the usage type, you need to click for development, and you need to check all of these things. And then you can see this free account visible, which is not disabled. So click on create account, then you can get the installation file being downloaded. So when you create this account, you need to go to your email address to verify your account, because it's very important. And okay, when you click on the Genymotion file installer after downloading it, you can see all of these 3 things that pops up, which has been downloaded to your system. So you need to click on Genymotion. Okay, as you can see, there is Google Nexus 7, which has already been downloaded in my virtual device manager of Genymotion. So I think for your Genymotion app, you will not see any of these one, because you have not downloaded or installed any one of these. So I think you need to click on add, and there are all the available virtual devices. So you can see there is one Nexus 7, so you can get many of these. So there are available many virtual devices in Genymotion. So you can click on more than one to install in your Genymotion virtual device, so that you can use many of the virtual devices in your application. So when it's done, so okay, when you are going to download, there will be some credentials popping up, so you need to insert your username and password. So for that, you need to go to your email address and confirm that you have activated your account. So it is very important. So when you have done this, then you need to go to your ATT bundle. So ATT bundle loads. Then you need to click on some application that you have been developed. So there is one sample app. So you need to click on the sample app, so you can see there is nothing. virtual devices has not been run. So then you need to go to this icon. So to insert this icon, you need to go to help and install new software, because Genymotion can only be run by clicking on this icon. So to get this plugin, you need to go back. Okay, so you need to go to genymotion.com/download. So you can see, when you scroll down, you can see Eclipse, and you can see the same process that I have been showing you. You need to go to help and install new software, then click on add. So you can see there is add button right here, so click on add, and then you can see that you need to add a name to it. So you need to write Genymotion. So I'll copy it and then I'll paste it over here, and the other one is the URL for the plugin for Eclipse. So copy it and paste it over here. So you need to click on OK. So there will be one software plugin that will pop up here, and then you need to click on that plugin and click on next, and then you need to agree on the terms and conditions. Then you can actually download the plugin. So when you download the plugin, you can see this icon popping up. So when it pops up, click on the icon, and you can see that this virtual device that I have installed in the Genymotion, it pops up over here. So click on this and click on start. So it will start the emulator. I think it will take 1 minute or 2. Okay, I think it loaded pretty fast. So close all of these because you don't need it. Okay, you can see that it loaded pretty fast than the default emulator which is provided by Eclipse. So you can see it's very fast. Yeah, you can see the scrolling very fast, and you can click on this menu bar, so you can see it's very fast. Okay, now what you need to do is, when it loads, you need to go to the same run icon and then click on the sample app. So since it's Genymotion Google Nexus 7, it appears over here, which is this. So click on this and click on OK, and you can see it pop up right here so fast. So you can type something like how are you, so it will give you how are you. So it's run pretty good, it's pretty fast, and it's very good for the personal use of making Android development. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you. It's very nice teaching you guys about Genymotion. Thank you very much.